short fuse. Highstar. This is up by Camas at a place called Highstar. Highstar Bike Park? No, Highstar Ranch, sorry. Not gonna lie though, the climb is, it's not easy. A lot of switchbacks, but you know, it's awesome to get out, ride some different stuff. No e-bike cloud up here. Oh! Nice. It's overgrown. Doesn't look like a lot of people are riding up here anymore. Oh, I missed that. Yeah, buddy. Lucas is in tow. Everyone's kind of tired, so no one wants to leave. We can do some follow cam, but like I said, today's ride was 2,000 feet of climbing. We're on the Rocky Mountain Instinct. Kind of my go-to bike if you got to pedal these days. Woo. Tight turn.